lost track of time, don't know where to feel.
Hi Jazz fam, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share Nykaa haul with you. I have received some of the makeup products and skincare products, hair care products, everything in from Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and I'm going to unbox with you. And this one I have received from Nykaa. So look at the packaging. So there are so many exciting products inside the packaging. So I'm just gonna show you one by one what and all I have received from Nykaa. These are multi-brands makeup and skincare, hair care, body wash. You're going to see so many useful and interesting products in this haul. So yes, let's begin with the first product. So we will start firstly with the skincare because skincare is really important. So we'll go one by one: skincare, hair care, and then makeup. Okay, so this is the hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal. So I really want to try it, and it's a full size bottle, and this is the serum that I have received. So this was the skincare. Then I also received the sheet mask and anti-acne clay mask from Nykaa, and because I wear makeup on a daily basis, so for me an instant skincare would be using a sheet mask. So this is really helpful. And the other one is the anti-acne clay mask that you can go for, and this is how it looks. Okay, it smells like a beautiful mint-like smell in it. It just calms down your skin and gives, you know, it's very soothing for the skin. Next we will move on to the shampoos and head mask. So firstly I will show you, this one is the L'Oreal Paris L'Oreal Professional shampoo and mask. So you know, this is a little bit expensive and really good for the hair for the days when you do some straightening. Like you can see, अभी मैंने curl किया हुआ है, तो इसके बाद I would prefer to do some skin treatment with professional product. तो ये वाली shampoo and conditioner मैं use करूँगी, like it's a head mask. But yes, I use it occasionally whenever I color my hair or if I do straightening or curling, you know, all that. इसके अलावा Mamaearth का rice water shampoo, and this is also paraben free, and the other one is Nykaa Naturals Amla and Curry Leaf shampoo, and इसका fragrance, oh my god, this is so good, so mild and gentle on your hair. I really like this shampoo, I would say. Also guys, I will mention the product names in the description box along with the prices, purchase link, everything in the description box. So make sure to check that out. Right, this one is Nykaa Wonderlust French Lavender Shower Gel, and I really wanted to try this one. And this is also paraben free and a vegan product. So it's just so good, you know, you can use it, and I really love the fragrance of the body shower and the shampoo. Now I'm going to show you in the makeup. I already own so many makeup products, but I really love to try out different brands and different makeup products. So सबसे पहले MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. आप लोगों को पता होगा, मैंने पिछले 2-3 वीडियो में आप देखते होंगे मैं इसको कितना यूज़ करती हूँ, and already मेरे पास जो था वो ख़त्म हो चुका था. You can see this is how it looks. I already have the other one. आप देख सकते हो ये थोड़ा ओल्ड मॉडल है, अभी पैकेजिंग जो है वो थोड़ा अपडेट हो गया. सो दिस इज़ द न्यू पैकेजिंग. हॉट पिंक सेल इज़ गोइंग ऑन, सो यू कैन परचेज एंड शॉप योर फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स. जो भी हाई एंड या जो भी आपको ख़रीदना है अभी, इट इज़ द राइट टाइम टू गो फॉर, यू आर गेटिंग a huge discount on all of the products. Next, I really wanted to try out this high-end eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, and I have the shade Khaki Haze, and look at the palette guys, look at the shades, it's so beautiful. You can see how beautiful all the colors looks like. अभी festive season आ रहा है, wedding season आने वाला है, so I really wanted to have this kind of shimmery palette, and it comes with beautiful combination of shimmery and matte finish shades. So you can create really nice eye makeup looks with this palette, and I mean Indian look बहुत अच्छा आप create कर सकते हो. पार्टी मेकअप के लिए ये palette बहुत ही अच्छा है, प्लस ये high end है. I really wanted to try Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This one is Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette, soft nudes, and of course एक high end eyeshadow palette, एक थोड़ा affordable but good quality palette. And I think this is a really nice palette where you get so many options for the matte finish eyeshadows and shimmery shades. So you know how much I love to do my eye makeup. Plus ये लैक्मे से ब्लू मस्कारा एंड आई वॉज रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर अ ब्लू मस्कारा. मेरे पास कुछ था नहीं ऐसा एंड यू नो हाउ मच आई लव टू डू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ आई मेकअप. तो दिस वन. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस Colourpop Perfect Match Primer, and if you have oily skin you can definitely give it a trial. If you get a lot of sweat on your face and you have visible large pores, go for it. This works best. सो या सो फेस्टिव सीजन और वेडिंग सीजन को ध्यान में रखते हुए तो ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बोल्ड कलर का लिपस्टिक ये Maybelline का है. And the other one is the nude shade from Nykaa, which I really like. This is a creamy lipstick and it's a beautiful nude shade, guys. You can see the color, how beautiful it is. बहुत ही खूबसूरत शेड है ये. And the other one is Faces Canada No Transfer Matte Lipstick. मेरे पास इसका ऑलरेडी 4 शेड है and this is the shade I was looking forward, a pink color. Like as I said कि अभी इंडियन मेकअप लुक के साथ ये सब शेड बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगता है, साड़ी के साथ और लहंगे के साथ आप ये सब ट्राई कर सकते हो. सो दिस वन इज़ द काजल फ्रॉम K Beauty and you can go for it. It's very pigmented, super soft and jet black kajal. You can also use it as your liner and stuff. So yeah, these are the tiny miny perfumes from Nykaa. It's a Moi by Nykaa and I have 2 of them. Just travel size. It's a beautiful travel size packaging. They are not very, ये बहुत ज़्यादा sweet भी नहीं है. It's a little bit intense side. So guys, that's all I have received from Nykaa, and all of these products, whatever I have shown you, it's all useful, not something which is unwanted, which I don't need. So go shop on Nykaa because Hot Pink sale is going on right now for a limited period of time. So don't miss this offer and shop your makeup products because we are makeup junkie and you know how much I love makeup. If you are like me, then just go shop your makeup products. Just try out and explore makeup. Also guys, if you're shopping for the first time from Nykaa, you will get additional 30% discount on your first purchase on the order above 1000 rupees. So coupon code I will mention in the description box. Make sure to check that out. Yes, let me know if you like this kind of video on my channel so that I can come up with lot more haul videos, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.